Got a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500, and we're doing the transmission on there. We're putting it back in. However, we do have a problem here. 4x4 is not working. What happened was, or is, there's a hole in here, right inside here. What happened was this aluminum has corroded, and it corroded a hole right into this transfer case.
I can't find it.
Also, his linkage was off. Right here, this was broken off. The rod is missing. I'm going to try to use some of this Qbond here, see if it'll work, and patch this hole here. I'm not sure if this is bad, but it does have a little piece of metal in there. Aluminum inside there. I can see that, yo. Right there. I'll try to get that out. Maybe the transfer case is still some good, but I'm not going to charge for this. I'm just going to plug this hole after I try to get that aluminum out of there. See if we can get it to work. Did you get it out? Part corroded off from the inside there. Now we're gonna have to put some Qbond in there and see if we can save it. Alright, so okay here.
Oh, that's better.
Keep this down. Oh, it came off my finger.
Hand me your scissors and I'll take the scissors and just hold down on the middle of it.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Great. Get that there. Now it won't move right there. Okay, now we will see if this Qbond can do its job. Now it's supposed to be ready to go right away. You feel it and see how hard that is. That's hard right now. What y'all think? Think it'll work?
I can.
I've never